step-by-step instructions to the owner of this GT350, who is going to try to do the Auto Fanatic method. We're going to see how impatient he gets because we're actually exhausted right now. Let's go. Foam it up. We already did the wheels with the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaning foam. Hey, you missed a spot. Over here, come on. Get the bottom of the door. Nice. Hey, foam is for free. You can use as much as you want. Foam is for free. That's my motto. Just use as much as you want. Smells good, right? It smells like suntan lotion. That's the new Griot's Garage foaming surface wash. Outstanding. Alright, so she's all foamed up. We're going to use the 2-bucket method because this car's pretty soiled with the modified Auto Fanatic microfiber wash mop kit. Start at the hood and the roof. Let's see how he does. But nice and slow, nice and slow. Be one with the car. I should talk, man. I freaking flip through my car wash videos like a lunatic because I'm always in a rush. You get the nose in and throw it back in the bucket, in the rinse bucket, and then dump it back in there. Because if you don't do that, guys on YouTube are going to tell you that we're scratching our cars and we're doing it all wrong, and we have to go back to car washing school. How are your stripes holding up?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, right? I still would prefer if they were painted.
Smell it.
Right? Yeah, go for another dunk. Here, I'm going to kick the bucket over your way. It's easier. Pull it. You put it in there and just pull it around the top. Nice, right? It's just like being a janitor. Everybody emails like, how did you connect the 2 buckets together? I'm like, they already have wheels. You just screw them together. What are we doing, you know? Yeah, he lives out in Long Island, and there's all like road tar dust all over. Why, James? Because they don't patch the potholes properly.
Not fast, Jeff.
No, it's the high taxes we pay in New York to have the worst roads in the country. You know, a lot of people comment on my videos saying like Michigan, Ohio has the worst roads. I don't know about that. I don't think they've been to New York since the last winter. You picked up a mop at your house?
Yeah.
It makes it a lot easier, doesn't it?
Same one.
Same one, right?
Yep.
Isn't it easier?
Absolutely. Especially for SUV too.
SUVs or old guys like us that don't want to bend. You can do either one. Finally the sun kicked down. Now it's nice and relaxing.
Yeah.
Right? And seriously, before it was scorching hot. And then we're going to dry your car at my new 007. And I still think the red is the best color on this car.
Absolutely.
I like the blue though, the dark blue with the white stripes.
Who told you?
Yeah, I know, you did. I was like, which one should I get? The white with the blue or red with the white? Oh, you gotta get red.
Red with white stripes.
I guess if you want to fly under the radar, you just buy a gray one or a black one, but the attention with the red one is just out of control. Have fun. How do you like the wand with the angle on it? Pretty good? Easy to control, right? Yeah, it's a hell of a lot easier than a gas power washer, where it's not torquing your hand and wrist everywhere. Nice and quiet, too. Now I don't have to drop the audio 70% on these videos. I'll just get the tail lamp panel. So spray the entire car down while it's wet. Glass and everything, everything. Just spray the entire car down. We're not going to blow dry it because I want to give you some protection for your ride home. And that's a 007 by Auto Fanatic. It is probably one of the best drying aids you're ever going to use. And a lot of you guys out there that have bottles on the pre-sale, you guys know this stuff is awesome. What do you think of the sprayer? Feels good, right?
Yeah.
I have customers that ask me if they could drink it.
Go ahead. Let me know how that works out.
Yeah. But you see, as soon as you hit it with the water, do you see what the water's doing? It's how it's like,
Yeah.
it's already bonding to the surface. Keep going. And do the back window and the tail lamp panel, and we're ready to go. Now go dry it. Wait till you see how it comes out. This is it right here, guys. When was the last time you put a coat of wax in the car? A while, right?
A few months.
A few months, yeah. You can see the shine already. You see it?
Yeah.
And this will eliminate you having water spots if the water dries on the car.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see it already. And your car is not washed 4 to 5 times a week like mine is.
The paint is coming off the end, right?
No, believe it or not, my paint is pretty good. It's got so much damn protection. I tell you, for Ford paint, the 007 really makes it shine without buffing and polishing and everything else. Looks good. See, I had to push you to do it. I had to vacuum the car and clean the car. He didn't want to do it, guys. He didn't want to do it. Good. Looks good. You broke a sweat, now you're tired. The car looks awesome. You like the way it shines, right?
Yeah, of course. It always looks good.
Yeah, that stuff works freaking incredible. Alright, we're going to finish this up. That's the Auto Fanatic secret weapon. Getting kid smudges off the paint. Keep going. Keep rubbing it. Right there. Keep going. Perfectly gone. And it leaves wax protection behind.
Yeah, at least some wax.
This honestly, for where you're driving, you need a bottle of this in your car. Perfect. So we're just going over the car with the Auto Fanatic secret weapon, and there's just a couple of spots where there's a little bit of tar that has found its way onto the finish, and it just comes right off. And you guys can see that there. I'm gonna do your side door mirrors. Get all the bug splatter that's on there off. Come here. Did you see the bugs that were on there? Gone. Gone in a matter of seconds. You don't have to use any harsh solvents or degreasers or anything like that. awesome. So we're going to go around the car and we're going to finish up the fine details and wrap up this wash. So we're following up the rims, the satin black rims with 007 and a Griot's PFM detailing towel. We're going to knock this out, throw some tire shine on, and you guys can see the shine already. That's just from the Griot's foaming surface wash and the 007 gloss enhancer. It really brought this car back to life. How do you like that creeper seat? I'm filming your legs. It is comfy, right? Nice and quiet, nice and smooth. Got a good seat. So, by using that, James, when you spray the rim down, if you miss any residue, you know, let's say you didn't get a good shot with the power washer because, you know, you're shooting down, this is going to take the brake dust off any residue on there. And plus, it's going to give you some protection so the brake dust won't stick as much as it will ordinarily. So this time around we're going to use the Masterson Spray Shine. I think it gives a really good finish. These tires haven't had finish on in a while, so just give it a little extra kick. Like I said, the wax pad applicator just works. It's easy. You know, you trash them, you throw them out, and get a new one. Looks great. So stand back and admire your work. We actually knocked this out in like 15 minutes. So that's it, guys. That's another Race Red Shelby GT350 that has seen better days, and I had to just wash it. We had to video it. So look at the shine on this thing. Looks freaking awesome.